Hello, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Welcome to Free Business Effective Courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. Proceeding to Session 4. The first pointer of Session 4 is businesses will not last forever. If a business does not last forever, you need to get rich quick and put yourself before your business. Every single business is going to fail sooner or later. If it is going to fail, make sure you get that money before it blows up. The goal of the business is to make you rich. Think long and heavy when you decide to buy assets. Be ruthless and make sure you are the primary focus. Coming to the next point of Session 4, reputation control. To control your reputation, you need to do more good than bad. You are never going to have people that are 100% happy. The easiest way to piss someone off is to ignore them. People only get worse and bitter if they are ignored. Make sure to speak to people even when they are being annoying. The next point of Session 4 is you have to change the way you think about money. You can do this by only thinking about money all of the time. Analyze different businesses and figure out how much you can drive down costs and make more money. And that, folks, is the end of this session, Session 4. See you folks in the next session. Thank you and goodbye.